I apologize for not being full screen, but my face isn't showing when I try to record. So, the effects of intersexual interactions on survival and how those drive female evolution of ornaments in the absence of mate limitation. Now, what does that mean? Essentially, normally organisms, especially males, evolve ornaments to attract more mating opportunities, such as elk with antlers, or as we saw, peacocks with the eyes. But females don't have the same limitation on selection or mating opportunities as males do. So why would they evolve these ornaments? Now, this is a female Eclistus parrot, the red one, and the male is the green one, so the more natural color. This research was done by John Colton Watts and Courtney L. Fitzpatrick. And why they did the study was they wanted to show, even though female ornaments are common in nature, why do they do it if they're not mate limited? And how does this defeat the classic sexual selection assumption that ornamentation is to find more mates rather than just increasing the survival? Or is that what they found? Well, this figure shows that on the x-axis, it's the frequency of ornaments within the population, and the Q subscript 2, allele frequency, which is the beneficial male alleles. Now, this shows how they interact. And the arrows on this graph show the movement of the allele frequencies at these certain allele points. The stars on the graph, if it's folded in, is a stable equilibrium point, and an open star is where it is not stable and there is movement actively, or movement that can occur if very lightly pushed. The purple is where they overlap. The red is where the male traits are favored, and the blue is where the ornament is favored alone. The importance, or what this shows, is that ornaments help, well, the hypothesis, how this correlates to the hypothesis is that ornaments help females pair with mates who booster their survival. These males provide survival benefits to the females they are with. Now, that correlates to the second hypothesis, which is ornaments give survival benefits or extra survival benefits because males will allocate more protection and resources to these ornamented females over unornamented females. Now, that correlates with the summary of the results, and as well as the purpose, which is, do these ornaments help? Well, they help if the males are co-evolving with the females in a sense of moving alongside like a train track. As long as they move together, there's benefit. And for long-term persistence, that also requires coevolution. Now, the ornaments may disappear if there's not this congruence of evolution. And as long as the males provide the benefit, the ornaments will likely still continue. Mind you, this was all theoretical, experimental. But a brief summary of the results that were collected during this paper was that female ornaments do increase the survival of females through male interaction. And these ornaments will remain as long as the survival benefits outweigh the fecundity costs, which is, are they having fewer babies if they have these ornaments? But they are not. They are having more, or they're not losing babies. Now, if it's beneficial, if all the males are the beneficial, all the males are, well, that were beneficial are dead because they were trying to protect them, the ornaments will go away. Now, what is the significance of the findings of this research? Essentially, it challenges that ornaments only evolve to benefit mating success chances. And it also shows that survival advantages from social interactions have such a major and critical purpose in the physical evolution of behavior and characteristics. And further, it displays a new, or not new, but it displays a different way to view ornaments and how they play in nature, especially with females, and further the coevolution between male and female traits. Thank you.